welcome to the show. This is day 57 of my construction today. And taking trees. Need to check those for tomorrow. Need to get the tree tomorrow. But yeah, what is it called? Back testing. So I'll show you how I back test and find my strategy. So boom, go to the replay, just select a random spot like that. Boom, so now we're here. This is the spot we're at. So then I would go to the daily check the bias, right? So currently our bias is bearish. We just broke out right here. As you see, you have this order block right here. It's a change in state of delivery too. That also could work. But mostly just an order block. I mean, it could work as changes in state of delivery because it's an order block with the breakout. So if it what is it called? Retest the zone right here, like the 0.5, the half and below. If it tests that, and it goes back down, that could be valid, but that's the daily, so I'm not gonna wait for that. So I'm gonna go to the 4 hour and check the what is it called? The trend. So we're very bullish, bearish, but we also just swept liquidity right here. So depending on the next move, I could be what is it called? Bullish again. So let's just check that. Okay, still bearish. So it looks like we're gonna continue. So go to the 1 hour. We're also bearish. Let's check one more candle just to see. Okay, we're very bearish. So now we go to the 5 minute and look for a bearish entry. So an entry to enter off of is a liquidity sweep basically. So I'd have to wait for either a 1 hour liquidity to get swept or something like that. So this could be right here. We could work with this, but it's too far up. So we just go to a lower time frame and look for a high there. So, and if it's unattainable, then I just look for like regular entry, pretty much like just without the liquidity sweep. So let's see how it moves. I'm thinking it might go up and it's called take this high, but most likely won't. So let's just see how it moves. Okay, so we're still okay. This is moving very choppy. No real movement here. This might have been a bad spot to like try and take the trade, but or because we might like actually end up like at the actual spot we're at right now. I think we actually are. Yeah, we already reached up. 5 minutes, nothing happening. Honestly, it's too late. Yeah, it's not moving. I was thinking if it goes and takes this high, then we start looking for shorts in this, but as you can see, it might be a reversal. Look how bullish that is. So if we break out again, let's just check 4 hour. 4 hour has not broken out, as you see. Stayed right below that. Daily is just regular pullback. I mean, overall the daily was bullish, but we go over to the 5 and just check. So wow, just because I went back to the 4 hour, I missed the whole thing. But this is basically how I would have entered. So right here, uh, look for a fair value gap. None so far. And then we get this one right here. Boom. And we've already had a break of structure right here. So I just need an order block. And the equilibrium. I don't really use equilibrium that much anymore, but this is basically it. It doesn't reach. Hold on, I think if I change it. Yeah, it doesn't reach into EQ, but it still would be a valid trade because overall bias is bearish. So we wouldn't really need like uh discount premium, but it still works out in the end. You would take a trade rate. That's long. So boom, take a short right here. Stop would be above this right here, and then take profit. Honestly, below these lows right here would be a good take profit, but I'm not sure if it even gets it. Let's see that. Probably does. Yes, it does. For sure it does. Okay, yeah. Just barely. Came into stop loss is kind of crazy. I don't know if it's a good idea putting it up here. I think it'd be better to put it like slightly above this high right here. So about right here would be a pretty good spot, I think. So it's like a 4, 1 4. Well, that's basically how I back test this no example. And I try not to like look at the current chart just so it's not like I already know what's gonna happen. So that's basically how I take a trade. And that's basically it for today. Thank you for watching.